Hey everyone, I'm Steve from Kettlehaven Ranch. This is part 3 of a 3-part series on a memorial plaque for a dog, a bloodhound, named Jake. So hey, we're taking it from here. The epoxy is already set up on the workpiece and we're going to sand it down and do the final finishing and get it ready for delivery to the customer. Join me. Kettlehaven Ranch. Okay, this is about the first 10 minutes sanding, 60 grit. You can see we're getting a lot of the excess has been sanded down. Probably go another 5 minutes or so with the 60 and then we'll start moving up. Making progress. Here we go. All right, I think that will do it for the 60 grit. Probably run right up to 100 grit now. Give it a little bit more time and let's see how it looks. Okay, that's with the 100 grit. I like how that turned out. It wasn't cutting too much, but just enough to make progress, and it's fairly smooth there. The next thing we have to do is finish cutting out and releasing the actual plaque from the rough stock. As you can see on the CNC machine, we cut all the way through except in 4 spots. These are called tabs. The tabs you can set up for different depths and different lengths and how many you have, but it's basically to keep the product that you're making held onto the CNC with the rough stock. So I'll take a little keyhole saw, stick it in here, just a little hand saw, knock out these little corners, these tabs, and then we'll start doing some finishing sanding. And once again, the miracle of modern cameras. There we go, it's released. Firewood. Now to do some shaping, some final sanding. Be right back. There we are, all ready for finishing. Have to seal it now and then start putting shellac on. This is going to be an interior piece. Should look really nice with shellac on it. That's with the wood conditioner on it to seal the grain before we shellac. Let it set for about 15 minutes. Wipe off any excess at that time and then give it about an hour and we'll go ahead and put the shellac on. Hey everyone, about an hour later, shop's warmed up, don't need a hat on anymore. And our first coat of shellac is dried. Gonna give it a light sanding with 220 grit sandpaper and then go ahead and put our final coat on. The shellac is dried and it's ready to be wrapped up just in time as it is 10 a.m. on Christmas Eve. Hey, if you enjoy our content at Kettlehaven Ranch, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and hit the notification bell to be updated on all future videos. Thank you, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we'll see you next time.